We went to IMM, one of the largest outlet of shoes in Singapore. My son and his wife will treat us here for lunch and also buy us some clothing and shoes. Kadali ko. Ayos. Under Armour. My favorite.
Tama ang baby.
Yung mga kasalamin, meron kaming lakad ngayon. Punta kami ng IMM. Hindi kami ng aming mga anak sa food. I love my new eyeglass come with magnetic sunglass.
Nice.
Yeah. Grab. Yeah. Grab. Pass through our place. Pass through Changi Airport. Pass through Long Under Tunnel. We travel for about 30 minutes. IMM ay sinakyan namin. Yeah. Ayan na yung mga shoes. Pero kakain daw muna kami sa amin kasi dumating kami na alas 12. Umalis kami ng 11:30. Dami billion dito sa IMM. Din Typhoon. Ganda na aking bubuha. Bago mag-shopping shop. So matagal na akong hindi nakapunta rito sa IMM at maraming pinagbago. They order a lots of food to share. Fried rice. What's that? Lalagyan eh. Bóng đồ hop hop yeah kung sa bawah lo hindi mo kinain natin sa bahay ay crab pa ito kaya pala crab and pork crab and pork. I enjoy all the food that we share. Delicious thanks to Glenn and Glam. Ang sarap. Ubus. Pero wala nang laman. Wala nang laman. So ito yung mga in-order namin. Park shrimp pork wonton in spice sesame, pork chop fried rice, egg fried rice, noodle shrimp, beef noodle, crab pork, cold water. Cold water may bayad na piso. Chicken wings, pork bun, fried rice with vegetable, and sweet sour pork. I love this sweet and sour pork. Tan tan tan. Mura lang.
Sige, bayaran mo na pa.
I leave it to my son. Blanjay ng San Cortang. yoga. Yay! It's shopping time. Converse. 10 to 20%. 10 and 20% off. Tayo sa Converse.
Hanap ako. Thank you. Parang ang bigat. Ang bigat. Bumili ng ganito.
Ayoko nga yan.
Nagsisi ko.
IMM, a large outlet of different brand of shoes with a good sales offer.
Just do it. Gila. Kadali ko. Kadali ko. Ayos. Under Armour. My favorite. Wakpal itong IMM. Maraming sapatos na bibili. Kaso nauna na ako Under Armour.
Then we are joined by my daughter and her family.
Casey. Yes. Shoes. Envy. Bilang building. Ayan. Ayan na. Shopping na si Converse, si Mrs. Punta kami sa isang building naman.
Lagay sa bahay mo. Doon na kayo mag-tingin. Pasok mo yung bahay.
Something to my vlog. Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
vlog.
Hello vlog.
Say
This
hello,
is
vlog.
my apo na bunso. I
Hello,
love my
vlog.
apo.
You said, hello,
Hello
vlog.
vlog.
Hello, vlog. Hello, vlog.
Hello. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
It's big already.
You can sing all the songs.
Very
Yeah.
good.
So dito kami sa aming anak. And they are here.
Hi,
So,
Elsie.
hello, hello vlog. Kain na naman kami. Wow. Look at all the food we have.
Say hi.
I have coffee.
Hindi ka na kain.
Wow, the curry is very nice.
Wow.
Do you want the fork?
Oh, very nice.
Kasi kung
Smell
saan
good.
mabili natin doon.
You want to try it?
Oh,
I'll let you try it.
thank you for this dinner.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Happy.
Oh,
Bye-bye, a lot.
Happy to miss you.
Ay, so
this
many.
is their nice
Bye.
place.
So many.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Puti na yan.
Close your
Oh, we
eyes.
close your eyes. Pray.
Thank you for the day that you got your food. And
Thank you for this.
thank you for the day. And thank you for the food and the stuff that you Amen.